Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So we have a bit of a sleeper severe weather threat across portions of northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, far eastern Iowa today. We have a marginal risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center for areas like Peoria, Illinois, through Chicago, Illinois, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And this comes with a 2% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location today across northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, far eastern Iowa, and for Peoria, Chicago, and Milwaukee. So make sure you're on guard for a couple of spin-up tornadoes today if you live in this green area. We have a 5% damaging wind risk of 58 mile per hour or stronger winds within 25 miles of a location for the same areas today, and our hail threat is also at 5% for the same areas today. So taking a look at our future radar, the 14Z run of the HRRR model, some light showers are going to move across Illinois, Iowa, and Wisconsin this morning, going through noon, some light showers across Wisconsin, and then going into the afternoon, this is when we're going to start to see our severe weather potential with some storms firing across Illinois, especially around 5, 6 o'clock Central Time this evening. Could be seeing a hail-producing storm fire up northwest of Peoria, and then these storms are going to rapidly strengthen as we go into about 6, 7 o'clock this evening. Could be seeing a cluster of supercells to the west of the Chicago area and north of Peoria, producing some pretty large hail, maybe even some spin-up tornadoes. And then going into 7, 8 o'clock, these storms are going to move toward the Chicago area. Watch out for tornadoes, especially on the southern storms here, as well as damaging wind gusts and large hail. And then these storms will move through Chicago around 8 to 9 o'clock this evening, possibly producing a brief spin-up tornado in the Chicago area if our southern supercell moves over. And then the storms will move into southwest Michigan and weaken as we go through the overnight and tomorrow morning. So taking a look at our significant tornado parameter, we have a low but not zero threat of tornadoes across Illinois and Wisconsin today, going into about 5 o'clock when our storms are developing. We have some medium significant tornado parameter values of 2 to 3, maybe even some 4s popping up across central and northern Illinois, indicating a potential tornado threat. Going into about 6, 7 o'clock, still seeing moderate tornado potential across northern Illinois before it kind of dies out in the evening as it moves through Chicago. So thanks for watching today's brief severe weather update. Make sure you're preparing for a couple of isolated tornadoes, damaging wind gusts, and some large hail if you live in Peoria through Chicago, Milwaukee, and this marginal risk area today. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.